Hello everyone, I'm Christina, and in this A-level mathematics video, we're looking at composite functions, and this is part one. So our objectives for this video are first to define what a composite function is, and to recognize the meaning of the notation we use for composite functions. And here we have fg of x. So we're going to look at what that means. So we first want a definition for composite functions. So a composite function is a function made up of other functions where the output of one is the input of the other. So if we have a look here, let's say we have our input x, we can apply a function g to x to get g of x. Then if we have another function f, we can apply f to our new input g of x. So you can think of g of x as your new x, if that helps. So g of x is our new input to get f of g of x, and so our new output is fg of x. And that's the notation we use for composite functions. So if we do a very simple example to help contextualize this, we want to find fg of x when f of x is 3x and g of x is 5 plus x. So we can rewrite what this means here. So to help us, we'll write fg of x is the same as doing f of g of x, where g of x is our input. And so f of x is 3x, so that's going to be 3 lots of our input g of x. So that's 3 lots of g of x is 5 plus x, like that. And so now you're just doing 3 times 5 plus x, 3 lots of 5 plus x, and that's 15 plus 3x. And so fg of x is equal to 15 plus 3x.